Alright traders, welcome. I'm getting my chart ready. I'm going to be trading S&P 500 mini futures. The structure of the market is indicating clear trend range, so my goal is to identify the key level support, key level resistance, following shortened channels and following the trend line rule. As you can see, the market is trending lower. It's going to open in 3 minutes. I'm going to wait for market to open so I can safely trade. Price action is right now going sideways in a small trend range. There were important news a few minutes ago, so I was patient, didn't want to trade around the news. It didn't really create spike in volatility, but right now I can see quite unclear bias, so I'm waiting for something nice to align. So we are coming off the range highs. We broke below EMA and the downtrend needs to get new extreme. We have a new level. I'm going to reset the count. Right now I'm looking for possible second entry short at the EMA because we're closing outside the channel. We are right now in a quite sideways and choppy area, nothing really that clear, so I'm just waiting for market to break out of this area. I don't really need to take a setup in area like this. I just need to be patient and see if price action will give me where all price action rules will align. We are bouncing off the range highs. The uptrend played out with the break new extreme. I was thinking lower high, but lower high formed as an inside bar with this bullish bar above EMA. So if there is something wrong with the lower high, the next step is a failed second entry long reversal pattern coming off the range highs. Alright traders, I'm resuming the video because I entered a short setup, failed breakout, double top. Because we had a healthy trend range, we had an uptrend working higher, break, a new extreme in the form of first leg up, break, second leg up. There was no good short right after this push, formed double top, second attempt and we got film, so I'm going to place my stop loss to break even because anything we make is just a bonus. So this was a very healthy trend range. Most breakouts according to range rules will fail. Like I said, there is no setup to sell here. You can see it still would have worked because you keep your stop loss one tick above single bar, but you cannot sell below bull bar like this. Lower high, absolutely horrible bullish bar. But once we form micro double top, another bullish trap, big bearish bar, and I'm looking for breakout to fail. I'm trading a simple trend range rules where most breakouts will fail. So this was decent enough trade for a scalp. Let's see if we can get a runner or this will be breakout pullback and we're gonna reverse. Alright traders, and our runner just got hit. The uptrend played out with the break in extreme. We have a strong below EMA. We have a failed second entry long, which would be tempting had it closed closer to the EMA. As you can see, it is not full at the EMA. So for this reason, even though it is tempting, I'm deciding to wait. The support is holding. We entered a trend range. So I would like to see push above EMA and a high-low confirmation setup. If they will form bad, I will consider a failed second entry short playing the range rules. We traded up into it. The key level is holding. Buyers are stepping into the market. Let's see if we can get some nice high probability setup. Traders, I'm resuming the video as I'm going to take the high-low confirmation setup. We pushed above EMA. We managed to get at the last second decent bar. So it took me a while to react because it really looked like it's going to continue bearish. And then when the bar was closing, it reversed all the way to the upside. So there's a big chance we will miss it. We still have a chance. Let's see. Okay traders, so we got filled on the high low, although I don't like how it is reversing. But I like the trade enough because there's strong support forming. We pushed above EMA, decent high low, so I'm pretty much taking a risk here. The bar is not that big, 2 points. So let's see if this can turn into failed second entry short. That would be nice because there would be a reversal pattern now. There is some resistance here. There's a small trend range. But when the downtrend played out with the break new extreme, second leg to new low, the support is holding. Such a strong push above EMA and such a great bar. You know, I pretty much have to risk it because otherwise I would be overpicking, over selecting a lot of setups. So let's see if we can get the scalp here. I decided to go only for 6 ticks due to the congestion here. We're getting close, but we still have a few ticks more to go. This is technically a failed second entry short now, but the signal bar is bearish and you cannot go long about bearish bar. So that is not a good long signal for us. Come on. I'll see how this bar closes because it's getting too congested. I may take a break even because we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 bar stack. Let's see. All right, we bounced off my exit order, but we didn't tick through. Come on. All right, traders, and we finally got out. So this was the high low. There was pretty much no good setup to buy the lows. Bearish bar, bearish bar. You could have considered possible double bar entry. But when I'm not sure, and I see a lot of sketchy bars here, but the rules still apply, buying low, selling high, I like to see the push above EMA, confirmation that the bulls are in the market, and this high-low confirm our analysis. This is more of a contextual high-low because it is confirming what we are thinking. The range lows, buying low, push above EMA, and the failed second entry short gave it more momentum. You can see it was a little bit stressful to see such an instant reversal. But as a trader, you need to trust your analysis. Don't second guess yourself. You can see the trade is not over until your stop loss is hit. So always trust your analysis. Go through the reasons why you like it. And I'm going to take the runner at these highs. We'll see if we can get the failed breakout here. And our runner just got hit. All right, traders, I'm going to wrap it up with my 2 trades. This is the big picture for today. Let's go back through the chart and see what kind of setups the market offered. At first, it is important to realize what kind of structure we are trading. We started with the trend range, which means we cannot draw a channel that is super broad and wide like this. In trend ranges, we follow the tighter channels. Once we see EMA flattening and a lot of consistent price swings up and down, my goal as a trader is to always identify the key levels because prices will pivot upon reaching these key levels. So I want to know where am I supposed to be looking for buys and sells. Now there was a decent high low, push above EMA, great tier 1 signal bar, followed by a failed second entry short reversal pattern off the bottom of the trend range. Now I marked this more aggressive because it is closing quite high. The entry is a little bit further from the EMA. You would be buying at the very top of the move. So for this reason, it is a little bit more aggressive. Then we had a second entry short after this leg played out with the break. New extreme, even the tighter channel has a break and a new high. It is right at the top of the trend range. Because in range rules, you want to sell high. This is a great setup far from the EMA. New low, first entry short, pull back. Second entry short at the top of the trend range. Now it got a little bit confusing because price session got way too choppy, but your goal is to be patient. I took a little failed breakout. I ended up adjusting my wider uptrend. Normally when I was watching this live, I didn't like playing it wider because it doesn't really touch the second swing that well. But looking after the fact, it is a little bit wider. There's a break. We expect to retest, and it was a nice new low. First entry short pullback, second entry short failure, which is also tiny new high, first entry long, second entry long, but it is a little bit sideways, a bit congested, so a little bit more aggressive. We had high low, break new extreme, and market reverse all the way to the downside. And notice, once again, we're not even looking for these key entry points, key levels, just to take longs or shorts off of these levels, but they will transform into the opposite key level. This support transform into resistance as a breakout pullback pattern. Just like here, breakout, pullback. Most breakouts will fail at least temporarily. Other trend ranges, breakout, pullback, and this was decided that the seller's momentum is going to continue. However, there is really no great short setup. You cannot really be looking for wider channels instantly because this is consolidating market. We're looking for tighter channels, especially we cannot draw a channel broad like this. As you can see, this is extremely broad for such a sideways structure. We are trading, it looks like a one leg down, sideways move, second leg down. So you cannot be rushing setups. There's really no good setup here. I only see first entry short. Once again, market is flattening. A lot of price swings up and down, locating the key levels. And the last setup I marked for the day was lower high, confirmation of the full breakout, pull back into trend range. And then it's pretty much way too late to be taking any setup. I hope you find the video helpful, educational. If you did, subscribe to the channel, like the video, and I'm going to talk to you next time. Good luck with your trading.